OPPO has confirmed that it will hold a launch event on April 10th to announce the new Find X8 Ultra, the Find X8s and Find X8s Plus, the Pad 4 Pro, the Watch X2 Mini, and the Anko-free 4TWS earbuds for the Chinese market. The OPPO Find X8s will come in cherry pink, moonlight white, island blue and Hoshino black colors. Now OPPO Find X8s front and rear design revealed via real-life images. It differs from the Mini/Next and will have a 6.3-inch display. The Find X8s will be small and thin, making it the actual Mini in the portfolio. Digital Chat Station revealed the phone will be just over 7mm thick, a 187G body, while the bezel will be less than 1.38mm. It will be powered by the upcoming Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset and a massive 5700 mAh battery with 80W wired and 50W magnetic wireless charging. The Find X8s will have an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 periscope telephoto camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.